So let's solve this question. Calculate the value of log s base 2 if log 4 base x is equal to 1 over 2. Now, to solve this, so remember this law is important. Log s base a is equals to y. So anytime you have question of this form, please take note of this format. So if you compare now, this s is like this 4. This a is like this x, as in compare, and y is like half. So this law says anything you have here like s will be equals to anything you have here will carry this one as power, that is a raised to power y. Take note of that law. So if I use the same techniques here, that means 4 is equal to s raised to power 1 over 2. That is what I have here will be equals to this one. We carry this as power. Now, how can you remove this power half? So to remove a power, so learn this techniques. If I have s raised to power half, no, since the power is half, so you multiply by the reciprocal, that is turn it upside down. That will be 2 over 1. To turn the 1 over 2 upside down, it will become 2 over 1, so that this will cancel out. So if the power is s raised to power 3 over 4, so how can you remove this power? So just multiply by the reciprocal of the power. So the power is 3 over 4. So I will say 3 over 4 times 4 over 3. So you turn it upside down. So that is how you can remove power. So this can cancel out. So now the power of our question is 1 over 2. So now since the power is 1 over 2, I'm multiplying both powers by 2 over 1 so that this will cancel out. So learn the techniques. So now this will become 4 raised to power 2 over 1 equals s raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 over 1, so that this will cancel out. So what I have left is 4 square is equals to x. So 16 is equals to x, or s is equals to 16. So now that we have solved for x, what the question says, calculate the value of log s base 2. That means log s base 2 will become log 16 base 2, because our s is 16, so you just replace it with this one. So what is the index form of 16? So the index form is log 2 raised to power 4 base 2. So 16 is 2 raised to power 4. Remember the method I said you should be using. So use the method of LCM. 2 in 16, 8. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 4, 2, and 2 in 2, 1. So 16 is 2 in 4 places. So like that. So now remember, according to a law of logarithm, again, log a raised to power n base b, you said this power can come to the back and becomes n log a base b. So if we apply the same thing here, so this will become 4 log 2 base 2, and 4 log 2 base 2 is like 4 times 1. Remember, log of the same base, that is log a base a is 1, so log of the same base is 1. So that is why log 2 base 2 is 1. So 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So the answer is 4.